Michelin Pit Stop Challenge. My name's Tim Harvey. In a long and at times successful career, I've had good pit crews and I've had frankly shocking pit crews. So we'll see which category you guys fit into. I'm currently racing in the British GT Championship with Pit Stop, so I'm actually secretly looking for a new recruit. So you never know your luck. You might end up with a position on a race team, or you might just end up with a Michelin cap. We'll see. Now the idea of this very simply is changing tyres as fast as you can in groups of 2. We will have a demonstration first and the opportunity for you to practice it before we actually put the watch on it and decide who's Lewis Hamilton's pit crew and who's Sebastian Vettel's exactly. So Steve Dolby here is going to demonstrate how to do it. It's very simple. I'll give you a few little tips though. The front wheels weigh slightly less than the rear wheels. Always make sure you know whether your gun's putting the nut on or off, and don't drop the nut. Apart from that, it's down to your teamwork between the two of you working on each wheel.
If you want to gather around here, and then I'll just show you how it should be done, maybe, if it works well. Okay, I've changed lots of tyres in my life on various cars, but not too many Le Mans cars. Right. You all gather around. Right, you've got the gun here, so hold this fairly straight onto the wheel. We're undoing the central wheel nut there. It's got 2 positions, basically neither of them work because the airlines are wrong.
Airline please.
Daniel.
If not, you'll have to do it by hand.
The computer says no.
We're feeling very deflated at the moment.
That was terrible.
So there's a position on the gun here for undoing the nuts up. So it's fairly, yeah, you'll see once we get to do it. Yeah. So to that side is undoing, that side there is tighten up. There's no need to over tighten it because it just makes it more difficult next time to take the wheel off. So there's no need to over tighten it. So 2 of you will be acting per wheel. So it'll be teams of 2 people on each wheel. So that's 8 of you altogether, if my maths is correct. So to take the wheel off, kneel down, put the socket on the wheel nut, and there you go. Just push the trigger in, make sure it's in that direction. So then you'll be doing this in pairs hopefully. Get your hands on the spokes, pull the wheel off and out the way. And then your colleague will pass you the other wheel. One thing to bear in mind is there are small holes on the back of the wheel. They have to engage with these nuts around the hub. So you just have to get it lined up correctly. When you come to put it on the wheel, make sure it engages correctly. Lift it up. Twist it around a bit. There we go, that's engaged. You have to start the thread off by hand, just a turn or so. Best have one person on the gun all the time, change the direction, and it's done. Stand up, hands in the air, and it's all over. Is that clear? It's fairly straightforward. If I can manage it, I'm sure you guys can. But, so we'll have 2 people to each position. You'll have a couple of practice runs, then we'll do the actual competition. The one who wins will get some fantastic prize, which I'll explain later on. Especially useful in this sunny weather, shall we say. Yes.
Okay, right, let's have you on the car, guys. 2 on each corner. I'm the official judge of fact on this, so if I say you won, you won. But remember, you've got to put your hand in the air. Little star jump if you want. Right, so just in your own time, decide how you're going to do it. Have a feel for the gun. Have a feel for the weight of the wheel. Decide what's the quickest way of doing it. Don't drop the wheel nut. You can have 2 or 3 goes at it, so have a practice. Got some professional looking guys on the left front corner here, so Don't look very slick Just so you know, by way of comparison, the current Formula 1 record, I think, is 3.2 seconds for a pit stop. And at Le Mans, 2 weeks ago, the winning Audi, on Michelin tyres of course, did 32 pit stops, all perfect. So you've only got to do one.
Oh, I don't think we're going to be going very quick.
Okay, now don't waste all your good ones on practice, save some good ones for the actual competition. Right, so everybody with a wheel on the car now please, yeah, and put your guns on the floor and stand up next to your teammate, okay? And what we'll do is guns on the floor, go to the gun when I say go, change the wheel as quick as you can. As soon as you finish, hand in the air, show us your armpits, and we'll see who's the hottest. I'll be the winner. Right, on marks, get set, go! The winner! Left, right. Very professional crew, I must say. Do you two work together or are you just life partners? Okay, so have a think about where you maybe went wrong on that one. You know, I'm not saying it was at the start or the end or the middle. Maybe you had a good bit in any of that. And we'll get ready for another go. So get your tyres set up, get your guns ready. I'll give you a little tip now. Put your guns in the off position. Because remember last time we used it was to put the nut on. So guns in the off position, on the floor.
Taking it off is that way, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. All ready? On your marks. Get set. Go.
Come on, Roger. Come on.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very impressive. Yeah, leave your names in the team and I'll be sure to call you if anyone doesn't go quicker.
Well done, everybody.
We didn't time it, we just looked for the winner. So it was very good. Very impressive. Well done everybody. It's not as easy as you thought, is it?
Welcome to Quick Fit.